Hello students. Today we are doing exercise 1.3 in real numbers of class 10. The first question is, write the following numbers in their decimal form and also state which are terminating and which have non-terminating repeating decimal. So some numbers are given. So among them, which are terminating decimals and which are non-terminating repeating decimals, we have to find it. So there are 5 bits given under this. The first one is 3 by 8. Second one is 229 by 400. Third bit is 4 1 by 5. This is a mixed fraction. Fourth bit is 2 by 11. Fifth one is 8 by 125. Okay, so let us convert them into decimal form. This is 3 by 8. So let us convert 3 divided by 8. 3 is small than 8. So put a point and then a 0 here. We know 8 threes is 24. So 8 threes are 24. And then 30 minus 24 is 6. Because I have a decimal point, I can put a 0 here. 8 sevens is 56. 8 sevens is 56. 60 minus 56 is 4. Because I have a point here, I can put 0 here. And then 8 fives is 40. So we can write 40 minus 40 is 0. So we can write 3 by 8 as 0.375. So now if you observe, this is 0.375. It is stopping. So it is terminating decimal. So we can write this is terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Now the second bit is 229 by 400. The second bit is 229 by 400. Now, it will be easy for us if we convert the denominator into 1000 or 10,000. That is, if we make the denominator, the leftmost element, the leftmost digit, you have to make it as 1 and all the remaining digits should be 0. We can convert it because we know 25 into 4 is 100. Okay, so let us multiply and divide this by 25. So what will you get? 229 by 400 into 25 by 25. So we will get 225 into 25. What will you get? 225 into 25. 5 5s is 25. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 1, 11. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5. 2 2s are 4. So this is 5, 2, 6, 5. So we will get it as 5,625 by 25 fours is 100 and 2 zeros here. So I will get 100 and 2 zeros. Now we know whenever you are having a fraction in which the denominator is having all zeros and the leftmost digit is 1, then we have to move that many digits to the left. From right you have to move to left and put a decimal point. That many decimals you have to move. So here you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So move 4 decimals. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am moving it 5, 2, 6, 5. Then put a point here. So if you observe, this is also terminating, which means it is stopping here. So this is also a terminating decimal. This is also a terminating decimal. Okay, so this is the first bit. The rough for the first bit I have done here, the rough work. And this is the second bit. For the second bit, this is the rough work. And in both the cases we are getting their terminating decimals because they are stopping at a point. They are not continuously repeated. Okay. Now let us do the third bit. 4 1 by 5. So this is a mixed fraction. You have to convert it into improper fraction. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1 21. So this can be written as 21 by 5. Now let us make the denominator 10 or 100 or 1000. If I multiply it by 2, it becomes 10. The denominator, if I multiply by 2, it becomes 10. So I will multiply 21 by 5 into 10 by 10. So I will multiply 21 by 5 by 2 into 2. Into 2 by 2. So what I will get here? 21 2 is 42, we know it. By 5 2 is 10. Now if you observe, in the denominator you have 1 0. So in the numerator you have to move one decimal from right to left. That is, I will move 2 and put a point 4. This is 4.2. So this is also terminating. It is stopping here. So it is also a terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Terminating decimal. Next, you have 2 by 11. Okay, let us divide 2 by 11. Put a point here and then 0. Then what you will get? 11 ones are 11. 20 minus 11 is 9. Because I have a decimal point here, I can put 0 here. 11 8s are 88. 90 minus 88 is 2. Because I have a point here 0. Again I am getting 20, which means again 11 ones are 11. I am getting the same 20. So 11 ones are is 11. 20 minus 11 is 9 again. Again I am getting the same 9. So I have to put a 0 here. So 11. 8 is 88. Again we will get 2 here. So it continues like this. So what you will get, 2 by 11 can be written as 0.1818, so on. It continues like this. So that is, you can write it as 0.18 bar. If you observe, it is a non-terminating and repeating decimal. What is repeating here? This 181818, it repeats like that continuously. So it is non-terminating. It is not stopping. So it is called as non-terminating and repeating decimal. So you can write this as non-terminating and repeating decimal. Non-terminating and repeating decimal. Similarly, if you observe the fifth bit, this is 8 by 125. 8 by 125 can be written as 8 by, this is 5 cube. If I write this, 5 into 5 is 25. 25 5 is 125. I can write it as 5 cube. Suppose if I just have 5, I can multiply this by 2 to make it 10. Because I have 5 cube, I will multiply this by 2 cube. So I will multiply 8 by 5 cube into 2 cube by 2 cube. So what you will get here? 8 by 5 cube into 2 cube by 2 cube. I am multiplying and dividing by 2 cube so that its value does not change. Why I am multiplying by cube is because I have a cube here. Now in the next step, what I will do is, I can write it as 8 into 2 cube is nothing but 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. By, in this, I will write the common power, that is 5 into 2 whole cube. So that is 8 8s is 64 by 5 into 2 is 10. So I'll get 10 cube. So I can write it as 64 by 10 cube means 10 into 10 into 10. So how much it will be? 10 into 10 is 100. 100 into 10 is 1000. So we will get 1000 here. Now, if you observe in the denominator, there are 3 zeros. So you have to move 3 decimals from right to left in the numerator. So how much you will get? So you will get it as, I am moving the first decimal, second decimal, the third decimal is not there, so I have to put a 0 and then a point. So this value is 0.064. If you observe, this value is 0.064, which means it is stopping there. So it is a terminating decimal. So this is terminating decimal. So in this way, you can find out the terminating and non-terminating decimals. Kindly subscribe, like and share this channel.